if you're looking at super affiliate system reviews on YouTube, you must know that every single person that creates positive reviews, and when you click any of their links here and buy their product, they earn $500 to $800 for every single sale that they make. The same goes if you search on YouTube super affiliate system review, and for example Jeff Lenny here, if somebody clicks his link here and goes and buys this super affiliate system, Jeff is going to earn $500 to $800. So most of these video reviews, they are just trying to promote you the super affiliate system. I, on the other hand, I'm not going to promote this to you. I'm not going to leave my affiliate link to super affiliate system because I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I don't receive any money from this company for creating this video. I would simply want to give you my honest review and my thoughts about this system. I have been making money with affiliate marketing online already for around 5 years, so I really know how this industry works and what is behind this system. I also teach ordinary people just like you to make a life-changing income online, even for 100% free. If you want to learn the truth about super affiliate system by John Crestani, watch this video until the end, and as a bonus I will give you in the end the best way to make money online with affiliate marketing for 100% free. Welcome back to Learn to Make Honest Money Online. If you are new on my YouTube channel, make sure that you are subscribed, because my mission is to help you to make a life-changing income online. I show you proven strategies and step-by-step, click-by-click, how you can make money online. For example, in this video, 15 ways that I have used to make money online. And here I show $3,000 in a day from this company. So many different ways how you can make money 100% free. Don't need to pay $1,000 to learn these things. Okay, so what is super affiliate system and how does it work? First of all, it's a product created by John Crestani, who is an American entrepreneur and internet marketer, and he has been in this industry already for a long while. And with his course, he's basically promising to teach you how to create an online business from scratch. So he's using this flashy marketing with these Lamborghinis, sometimes even a woman with bikini or helicopters. He likes to be like a flashy, so he likes to show this lifestyle, which of course lots of testimonials and all this. And how they are trying to sell it, they have the sales page. Sometimes you may see some webinars, and in these webinars then they are trying to sell this product for you, which costs around $1,000. And then you may also have seen these reviews, biased reviews, for example from Jeff Lenny or Burke Banks, where actually he says here that if you buy this product through his link, he is going to earn $500 to $800 for just one click when you click some of his links. So that's what you need to know about them. By the way, if you enjoy that I revealed to you the truths about these programs, make sure that you smash up the likes and share this with other people so they can also learn the truth about this and make money online as well. So what things specifically is John Crestani teaching in this course? Let me show you here. It's a 6-week system. First is a system setup, then understanding the system, so basically Facebook and clickbank, marketing skills, Facebook and Google ads, YouTube and native ads, scaling and automation. So as John has said in his channel, you can learn these things even for 100% free on YouTube by watching YouTube videos, but if you want to learn step by step, you can learn by buying his $1,000 course. And now if you're asking, will you be able to buy Lamborghini and live your dream lifestyle immediately if you buy this system? Of course not. You are not going to make money like immediately. It requires work and effort. By the way, that's why it's also 6-week system, so you would need to dedicate at least 6 weeks, around 50 days for learning first the things. And once you have learned the basics, the fundamentals, the theory, then I would say that at least give us another 50 days to waste like money on advertising, like a couple of thousands of dollars, and then you will do it more and more, and little by little you will start getting results. He teaches you how to make money by promoting high-ticket products on ClickBank, for example. In his own program, so he teaches how you can earn affiliate commissions by promoting this product. So that's why you can see these positive reviews about it also. They pay handsome commissions. So the idea is that you go to clickbank.com, then you promote some high ticket product, into other words, some expensive product. It costs, for example, $1,000. Then you will earn, let's say, 50% commission. You will earn $500 per sale like this. That's what they teach, and they teach you how to do advertising, so how to pay money for YouTube, Facebook, or Google, and when people see your ad, then they will click your link and they will go to buy the products that you promote. That's the basic process. That's called affiliate marketing, because you don't need your own products. You can simply make money by promoting other people's products. But the main strategies that John Crestani is focusing on, those are paid strategies. In other words, you will need to pay also other money. Like first thing is to buy this program. They also have upsells, but the basic program is $1,000. If you want to buy upsells, then it will be even more. But then the third cost is that you need to spend money on advertising if you want to follow exactly the same strategies as John himself is using. So I would say you need to have, let's say, 3,000, 5,000 would be good start. That's a good start. If you have more, even better. But that's the requirement. So if you want to make money for free, this may not be the best system. If you have, let's say, $10,000 and you are not in a hurry of making money, then this might be good for you. Like in my personal opinion, super affiliate system is for those people who already have some experience of affiliate marketing and who have, let's say, $5,000 to $10,000 to spend on advertising. That's my personal opinion. You may agree or disagree with me, but that's what I think personally at the moment. If you agree with me, smash up likes. If you disagree, click dislike, so we will see. If you want to make money on ClickBank for 100% free, so he's teaching how to make money on ClickBank. I actually created this ClickBank for beginners, how to make money with ClickBank for free, step by step. It's a 4-step formula to make more than $100 per day. Actually, you can use this strategy to make like much more than $100 per day. Like I have used it to make hundreds of dollars every day through many websites. So that's what I recommend if you want to learn for free. It's 19 minutes, free video on YouTube. Many people, everybody loves it. Maybe somebody has misclicked here, 1 dislike. So that's if you want to learn for free, if you don't want to spend the $1,000. Then somebody may be asking, is John Crestani a scam, or is super affiliate system a scam? No, it's not a scam. John Crestani himself, take a look at here. He has built a YouTube channel with 370,000 subscribers. He has made millions of dollars with paid advertising. So he knows this thing. He has been in the industry, I don't know how many years, but I guess like 10 years, so a lot of time, long time. So yes, he knows a lot about affiliate marketing and internet marketing, and you can definitely learn from him. Another question is, should you buy his course or not? Because as he says in his videos, you can learn these things also for free from his YouTube channel or from other YouTube channels. So that's the only question we are talking about here. John Crestani, he knows how to make money online. He has the skills. Something that some people don't like about him is that he uses this flashy marketing like Lamborghinis, helicopters, bikini woman even. So he has said that if as a marketer your purpose is to get people's attention, so you need to do whatever you need to get people's attention, and then you can sell them the products. That's what he has said in the interviews that I have listened from him. And of course, some people don't like it, and you can decide for yourself, do you like that kind of flashy and exaggerated marketing strategy, or do you like something more down to earth? I would say that the super affiliate system is pretty similar, like let's say Commission Hero, in a sense that they also teach affiliate marketing with paid advertising. They say like how to make $1,000 per day online with this simple 3-step system, even if you have zero experience. What they fail to tell you is that if you want to make $1,000 per day, you usually need to spend $600 per day on advertising. And I don't know many people who have $600 extra every day to spend on advertising. Like if you are making 40% profit margins, which is nice, of course. If you could make 40% profit margins, that's amazing. So yes, if you have a lot of money to invest, go ahead, buy it. That's one option. But I want to give you also other alternatives. So Legend Marketer, it's one of the great programs that I have used to learn to make affiliate marketing and how to make money online. That's made me $3,000 in a day. They also teach somewhat similar strategies like John Crestani, like high ticket marketing, how to make big commissions for one sale. As you can see here, I made $1,000 per one sale, $2,000 for one sale, then again $2,000. So that made $3,000 in one day. But there is also a cheaper alternative. Let me show you. By the way, if you are enjoying so far, remember to smash up the likes, and as a bonus, if you watch until the end, I will show you that 4-step strategy to make money with affiliate marketing for 100% free. So Wealthy Affiliate is the cheapest and the best alternative for beginners. You can get started. I will leave you a link in the description where you can get started even for 100% free, or you can go to youronlinerevenue.com/get started. It will take you to the Wealthy Affiliate homepage. You can see my face here. I got started in Wealthy Affiliate when I was only 22 years old student. Then I started making money online, and when I was 24 years old, I started traveling all around the world while making money on the internet. So that's my story in a nutshell. So if you come here, they have this training, and you can start this for 100% free. They have this first level for like, you don't need to pay anything. It's 100% free, $0, no credit cards, nothing needed. That's, in my opinion, the best alternative for those people who are on the tight budget. Like if you don't have thousands of dollars and if you want to make money online for 100% free, then this is probably the best option for you. And I am a living proof that Wealthy Affiliate works, because when I got started here, I didn't know anything about making money online. I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. I didn't even know what affiliate marketing means. Like, what is it? Like, what's the word? Like, I was so beginner. I didn't even know how to build websites. I didn't know how to build a YouTube channel. I didn't know anything, literally anything when I got started here. But nowadays, I'm making full-time income online. I've been actually making full-time income already for a good while. So this is proven to work. I'm a living proof of that. You have seen on my YouTube channel other examples of people who have went from complete beginners to making thousands of dollars every month with Wealthy Affiliate. It's not like a system like snapping your buttons and making money. No, you go through the training, you learn the steps, and then you start making money when you apply them. And you also get my one-on-one support as a free bonus when you join through my link in the description. And there are more than 2 million people in the community helping you out. You can simply click your live chat, you can ask questions from other people, or you can click your help center, ask questions from helpers, even from founders of Wealthy Affiliate, Kyle and Carson. They created this like 15 years ago to help ordinary people to make money online, and nowadays it has been evolved to becoming the leader and the biggest affiliate marketing industry leader and the community in the world. So you click here, understanding how to make money online. You go through these steps, and again, you can get started for 100% free. They also provide some premium products, but they are very, very cheap. I think the premium membership is like $49 per month or something like that, comparing to this, that's like $1,000 from John Crestani. So let me calculate quickly for you. You can be a member of Wealthy Affiliate for, let me show you, 20 months. You can see 20 months. It's more than 1.5 years, you can see. 1.5 years. Then it only costs the same that this one costs without any upsells here. And that will give you not only the training, it will also give you the websites, website hosting, keyword tools, affiliate program. You can see here the platform. It will give you the support. It will give you my coaching as a 100% free bonus. I will send you tips, mentoring, because more than 16,000 people have got started in Wealthy Affiliate through my link. So I know what separates those people who don't make money from those people who make thousands of dollars every month. So I can share those secrets and those tips to you, what separates those people and how you can also join and to be one of those people that actually makes money. So that's my number one recommendation for people who are beginners and don't have a lot of money. If you have a lot of money, you can take a super affiliate system. You can take also, let me show you other programs, Commission Hero, Let's Say Marketer. Let's Say Marketer is also very cheap. You can get started for $2 or $7. It's very cheap, like cup of coffee. They also have some higher like premium products, but you can get started for very cheap. So that's why Let's Say Marketer and Wealthy Affiliate are the best ones for those people who don't have a lot of money. I will leave you all the links and resources in the description. If you enjoyed my video, remember to smash up the like button, share this with your friends, and you and me, my friend, we will see you in the next video. It's my mission to help you to make money online, so feel free to ask me in the comments. I will reply to you personally. Thank you very much for watching.